Well, hello, Grange, children of the early years foundation stage, nursery and reception. See, vamos. Let's have confidence and consideration. We want to do good listening, kind words, and have great actions. Confidence and consideration. Grange is my school, and learning is my right. Vamos. So, who were the gold stars of the week last week? So I'm looking on my other computer over here, and it's telling me who were the gold stars of the week. Well, Sophia O in Alan Turing, brilliant, gold star. Ashby in Alan Turing, gold star. And I'm scrolling through to see who else I am seeing. So we've had 2 from Alan Turing. Have we had anybody? Oh, there's more Alan Turing gold people. There is Isabella from Alan Turing, well done. And there's Jan from Alan Turing, gold star, fantastic. And is there anybody else, or is that everybody? Oh, that looks fantastic. Oh, I see from Greta Thunberg, Lewis, you're a gold star, well done. And Jochebed, you're a gold star, well done to you. And is there anybody else? I'm looking. And is there anybody? Ali, yeah, you are. Alan Turing, you're a gold star. And a nice, you're a gold star. Fantastic work. And is there anybody else? That's it. So well done, gold stars. Proud of you. So who was classy class? And where did I put my classy class? Let me see who was classy class. Well, here we go. It looked like Greta Thunberg had 308 points, and their class champion was Lewis. Well done, Lewis. You're a gold star, and you were the class champion of Greta Thunberg. And Greta Thunberg had 308 points. Oh, I didn't mention Bob Marley. Your class champion was Sophia D. Well done, Sophia D. But the classy class of last week was Alan Turing class again. And the class champion of Alan Turing class, you had 336 class charts points, which is just fantastic. The class champion of Alan Turing class was Murray Glenner. So that's amazing, Murray Glenner. Well done. So we are so inspired by all of you. Now, children, the other thing to know is that the class that got classy class of Spring 2, Mr. Hutchins is going to come and talk to you because you need to do handprint, kind hands, handprint painting. And Mr. Hutchinson will show you where he's going to do that. So look out for that. And that classy class of Spring 2 was Alan Turing. So Alan Turing, watch out, Mr. Hutchinson is coming to talk to you about your handprint, kind hands, handprint painting. Now, the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about this week, children, is sometimes you look around and you look to your left and you look to your right and you see other children and you think, they're not making great choices, those children over there. They're not making great choices, those children over there. And most of our children are making great choices. Most of our children at Grange are making brilliant, amazing, great choices. But some children, just a few, are not making such great choices. And sometimes you look at the children not making such great choices and you think they're not making great choices and you really worry about them. The thing is to realize, you remember our hand and we put it on our heart and we say confidence. The most important thing is to make great choices for yourself. Because if you make great choices, you are building your great future. you are teaching yourself to make more and more and more great choices. And when the other child who's not making great choices sees you making great choices, slowly, slowly, they will learn to make great choices. So the more great choices we make, even though that's confidence for ourselves, the more great choices we make, the more we build our great future, but also the more we help everybody around us, because they can see us making great choices. They get inspired. They want to make great choices as well. So make great choices for yourselves. When you see somebody not making a great choice, just the most important thing you can do is, when you're near them, you can make a great choice. So if you see they're not sharing, they're not playing so nicely, you've got choices. You can go to your teacher and explain to your teacher, it's a bit upsetting, somebody over there is not making a great choice. Maybe your teacher will say to you, well, we've got to show them how to make great choices, and your teacher will help you to share yourself. And then when that child sees you sharing, slowly, slowly, they'll learn to share as well. So make great choices, children. Have a brilliant week. Live with confidence and consideration. Be safe and be happy and share and care. Let's listen well. Let's use kind words. Let's have great actions. Let's learn together. Let's respect each other, and let's achieve our potential. Be great. Be Grange.